Build up a little bit out here. Starting to get deep. The car's already starting to get buried. The worst is yet to come. Whew. Cold and blowing snow. It's blowing all over the place out here.
Thank you very much. The number you saw on the screen is incorrect. The number that Uma gave you was correct. And Liz, your order channel?
1-800-982-6846. That's what Uma just said, and that's the correct number. We have lots of information to give you. We want to tell you that the MBTA reports it is running on schedule. No delays yet. The T officials say bus service may soon be impacted by the storm. And the number to call for information, this number is correct, 722-3200. Again, that number.
Recording history.
Information, 722-3200.
Conditions, of course, are absolutely horrendous on the streets and highways. I think it was a little bit misleading when one watched the pictures with Randy a moment ago downtown, because they have the big buildings, of course, keep out a lot of the wind. And once you get away from the downtown area, it looks much worse. With the very latest on the conditions, let's check in now with Matt Phipps and the WBZ Traffic Network. Matt?
All right, Jack, thanks. The storm has intensified, and with that, the volume is diminishing on the area roadways. Some good news. Folks are doing the right thing and staying off the roads. We do have accidents working with some whiteout conditions, 128 north and south at Highland Avenue in Needham, and also state police out of the Andover barracks reporting numerous collisions between Andover and the New Hampshire border on both 93 north and southbound, and 3 separate collisions on the Mass Pike before and after the Alston-Brighton toll. So again, some very, very tough conditions there. Traveling in the downtown area, be very, very careful, especially along the river roads, Storrow Drive, Land Boulevard, and of course those coastal roads right now. We're seeing high winds, low visibility, and just treacherous, dangerous conditions out there. And the expressway right now, Jack and Liz, from Boston down to Braintree, just one solid line of 10-mile-an-hour traffic. Stay home. That's the best advice we can give you right now. We'll check it again. Matt Phipps, WBZ Traffic Network, Jack and Liz.
Matt, a quick question before
Sure.
you leave us. Earlier you mentioned there was quite a horrendous accident heading up north in southern New Hampshire. What's the latest update?
The latest was it has been cleared, but again, as we mentioned, state police out of the Andover barracks on 93 from Andover to New Hampshire and up through Salem and Derry. Still a number of spin-outs and a couple of collisions here and there. So again, it's just absolutely horrendous out there, so be careful.
Okay, Matt.
Those that are 93. I've just been working on some stuff here on the typewriter. Get some things written up. It's about 5:45 now. Yep. Still got the TV on here, as you can see. It's the Boston station, and outside, as you can see, it's starting to get worse out here. In fact, let's take a walk outside, take a look. It's dark in here, but turn the light on. Wind's starting to pick up. Car's buried. Oh boy, it's like getting your face. There goes a branch somewhere. Might be getting down to the point where you'll be losing power around here. Well, you got some wind starting up now. It's really starting to pick up out there.
On the floor. Did you come with the garage doors there?
Yep. Yep.
That's that door.
Yeah. 6:42, March 13th. The blizzard of 93. As you can see, there has been some snowfall around New London tonight. It's going to get worse if the night's out. We'll most likely lose our power sometime along here the course of the night. Ugh. The camera's all wet right now, so I'm going inside. Whew. 4:41 p.m., March 14th, 1993. The day after the blizzard of 93. Have a look. 27 inches of snow. And there's another 12 to 14 inches on the way tonight. Things are just getting good. Temperature right now is 15 degrees. The car was buried too over here. We had to dig that out today. Broke the antenna, but hey, it can be fixed. London, March 14th, 1993, 1:47 p.m. Yep, we're going to take a ride in the Merc around town to look at all the snow dumped by Blizzard 1993, and there's more on the way tonight, plus high gusty winds.